Seize control of your finances. Does money rule you, or do you rule your money? If the answer is the latter, feel free to exit now. But if you're thinking, I wish I had a little more cushion in my savings, then you are exactly where you need to be. In this video, I will walk you through, step by step, how to take the financial driver's seat. Are you ready? Greetings, I am the Productivity Architect, and today we embark on the most crucial journey of your life, the quest for financial freedom. We all aspire to live a great life, don't we? But that is only truly possible when money ceases to be a source of stress and instead becomes a tool that serves us. That is precisely why we're going to discuss 3 straightforward yet transformative steps that will fundamentally redefine your relationship with money. Get your pen and paper ready. Remember, this video is merely the launching pad for you to take command of your own life. Part 1. Acknowledge the reality. Where does the money go? Confronting the figures is the inaugural stride toward transformation. Friends, let's be honest, the majority of us are simply unaware of our precise spending patterns. The hole in our pocket is widening, and we don't even realize it. This first and most critical step is to document your expenditures. Your phone's no doubt. Jot down every single purchase the moment you make it. Grab a coffee, log it, made an online purchase. Record it. Review your banking summary. Look at your statements from the last month, how much went to groceries, entertainment, and utilities. You will be astonished, once you maintain these records, a financial blueprint will emerge. You'll pinpoint where you're bleeding money unnecessarily and which subscriptions you've long forgotten about. Look, budgeting is not about restriction, it's about intentional spending. From now on, you will dictate where your money goes. It will no longer control you. Crucial takeaway: you cannot manage what you cannot see. Part 2. Prioritize and allocate. Pay yourself first. Sow a seed today for the harvest of your future. Now that we've visualized our spending, it's time for the magical formula. Pay yourself first. What does this entail? The moment your paycheck lands, before settling any bills or heading to the supermarket, immediately allocate a predetermined sum. Rule 1. The 10% principle. Set aside a minimum of 10% of your income and preferably more. Treat this as a non-negotiable utility bill. Just as you pay your rent, pay yourself. Rule 2. Automate it. Instruct your bank. Have the designated amount automatically transfer to a separate savings account on the day your salary arrives. Out of sight, out of mind, and out of reach. This will drastically curb your impulse to spend. Rule 3. The emergency fund. Life is full of unwelcome surprises, job loss, and unexpected health issue. To avoid panicking in such scenarios, build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. This fund will be your financial life raft. Remember, saving is a marathon, not a sprint. Start with small, consistent steps. Do not attempt to save what's left at the end of the month. That money will never be there. Allocate first, then live on the remainder. That is true control. Part 3. Master your debt and spend intelligently. Mind your pocket. Debt is servitude. Freedom is a conscious choice. Debt is the foremost adversary of our financial liberation. High-interest credit card debts, in particular, allow interest to devour the money we earn. Therefore, debt management is imperative. Tackle the worst debt first. Identify the debt with the highest interest rate, usually credit cards. Channel all your energy into paying this off by making payments that exceed the minimum required. The debt snowball method. Start by eliminating your smallest debts. This provides a psychological boost, elevating your motivation. The feeling of winning will power you through the larger debts. Intelligent spending. Ask yourself the fundamental question: need or want? Is a new phone truly a need or merely a passing desire? Implement the waiting rule. When you want to buy something, wait 24 hours. If you still desire it the next day, proceed. You will often find the impulse has vanished. Do not hesitate to negotiate. Internet, phone service, insurance. Call about all your recurring bills and ask for a better offer. Be bold. Every dollar saved is a dollar that stays in your pocket. A key reminder: consumer frenzy does not equate to happiness. Invest in things that genuinely add value to your life, not fleeting whims. Taking charge of your money directly enhances your quality of life. Final summary: what you've gained. My dear friend, if you've watched this video to the end, you are no longer the person you were before. Congratulations, you have completed the 3 essential steps required to seize control of your finances. You faced the truth by meticulously recording expenditures. You created your financial blueprint. You established priority. You began automatically allocating a portion of your income and established your emergency fund. You acted wisely. You learned to manage high-interest debt and practice conscious consumption. So, what has all this yielded for you? The answer is simple: less stress, greater peace of mind, and a robust foundation for your future, the money you save will now start working for you. Thank you for walking this path of monumental life change with me. If this video has been a light for you, please help spread that light. Now, click the subscribe button and join our community. Don't miss out on future content. Like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Send this video to a friend you know is struggling with financial matters. You might just change their life. Important note: whenever you forget these insights, open this video and listen again. This is your personal financial textbook. I'm here to help you recall these methods whenever you stumble. Remember, financial freedom is not a dream, it is a plan. And you have just taken the first step of that plan. See you next week. Take care, and may the control of your money remain with you.